Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Sign into Apple. Apple. To verify your Apple ID and two-factor access because many issues stem from authentication. Once done, make sure iCloud Mail is enabled on the device in Settings. Your name iCloud. This toggles the service. Also, check network connectivity and Apple system status. If Apple reports downtime, wait. If you cannot sign in, immediately use the password reset flow to regain access before proceeding with mailbox repairs. Next, focus on settings and synchronization. Open Mail settings and verify IMAP/SMTP hostnames, ports, and authentication type. Incorrect values block sending or receiving. If settings look right but mail is stale, remove the iCloud account from the Mail app and re-add it to force a clean sync. This resolves many corruption issues. While that syncs, inspect iCloud storage and active filters or forwarding rules, because a full mailbox or a stray rule can silently stop delivery and create confusion. Finally, validate the fix by sending and receiving test messages. Check headers for delays or rejects to identify server responses. Make sure all devices are running the latest iOS or Mac OS and reboot them to clear temporary caches. If mail still fails, reset network settings or remove saved Wi-Fi profiles to eliminate connectivity quirks. One key troubleshooting tip: if issues persist after resets, enable and capture diagnostics. Then contact Apple support with the diagnostics and error headers so they can
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.